Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Not long ago I released a video on how to make a chickpea mock tuna type of salad, and I wanted to show you an easier version for that, just in case you didn't already have a sweet mustard dressing or a mayonnaise that you care to use. This cuts it down, makes it a lot easier to make, and they're both just as good. Now I'm going to show you how to make one large serving or two more modest servings, and I'll have the recipe below so that it can be blown up very easily or scaled down, however you need to do it. And you want to use a food processor or a little blender of sorts, and so this is just a little food processor that I have. And I have 1/2 cup of cooked chickpeas. You could use canned chickpeas if you want, no problem. I'm just going to add everything straight to this blender. And then you want to use 2 tablespoons to 1/4 cup of diced celery. I like a lot of celery in mine, so I'm going with the 1/4 cup. And then you could use roughly 2 tablespoons of chopped onion of your choice. This is a scallion, and I can tell you the scallion's good. It's got more mild flavor, but it's really good with red onion, but this is what I'm using at the moment. And we want to add in there 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar, and then anywhere from 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard prepared. And I like mine on the tangy side, so I've got the 2 teaspoons in here. And again, this is your salad, so you make it however you prefer it. And then for some creaminess, we're going to add 1/4 of a ripe avocado. Now I'm going to add just a little sprinkle of some black pepper. You can leave that out if you want to. I just like a little pepper in mine. And now I'm going to pulse this until it blends together, and that avocado is going to give it the creaminess that we need to kind of tie it all up. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's blended. And here's our blended salad. It makes quite a bit, and you can enjoy this just like it is on top of a bed of salad greens. You could put it in a sandwich, you could use it as a dip if you wanted to, or you could wrap it up in lettuce leaves or a tortilla, something like that. It's good any way you want to enjoy it. The recipe is below. Give it a try sometime. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.